So you are in Vernon, New York, of all places. There are more cows than people in this little town. And our facility is a big garage in the middle of a large, what used to be a large hayfield. It is now our manufacturing facility, and it's our testing, where we do all the testing of our drone. It's a big difference seeing a drone on a video or a post. Thank you for coming. To have people come and see our next generation manufacturing capabilities, see our drone in person and see what it does, it's a massive difference. And so getting people to actually touch it, look at it, hear it. So that's why we do these, is to get people to come and see it in person. You can't print a lot of these materials using like a sub $200,000 printer, except ours. Like you just can't, because the print speeds are too slow. So it's actually a hidden intellectual property. This is what I was talking about, like manufacturing is important. Yeah, so you need to be able to know your materials. When we were designing the drones, we didn't want to have a drone that we couldn't build. This one is printing on an ASA that has like carbon fiber embedded in it. This print material cannot be printed with a slow printer. So this is our own proprietary design from the ground up. All the parts are ours except for the print head. But the print head has our own board on it. So we've designed everything. It competes with $500,000 printers. We can build it for like a 20th of the cost. Yeah, so it outcompetes those. The reason why we designed them to be so compact was that we wanted to be able to like build production cells anywhere, like in like a shipping container. One of the key differences between Modovolo and other drone manufacturers is we're like a operating system. We want anyone to be able to build their payload, their flight control system into our drone. So everything on the drone can be changed to meet different mission profiles. So it is a completely open architecture system so that anyone can build what they need on our platform.
The idea behind it is that we started with the payload and worked our way out. All right, so we're gonna take this out, 2 screws. Payload pops out like that, super easy. Put in our agricultural payload, super easy, hot swapped. That's it, now you're ready to fly. So you can print an entire drone, propellers, trusses, control box, camera mount, and payload all in 24 hours. These propellers are super like heavy duty. Land it in a cornfield, land it in like heavy brush, and take off in heavy brush.
So this is a cyber attack platform we're going to be flying next.
And so our design is payload-centric. The reason why we did the demo day today was to highlight different payload capabilities. The drone at the end of the day is a delivery mechanism, and that's not the main value proposition. The main value proposition is the high definition camera, or the pollen distribution payload, or if it's a military application, something like an electronic warfare capability. So we showed all that today, that within seconds you can go from being a drone that does agriculture to a military drone to an inspection drone. And we did that within minutes of each other. Very versatile, very modular design on many levels.
Hey, there it is.
This is super important in the military especially, because one of the things that they'll tell you or ask you when you're talking about drones is they'll say, okay, what system do you use? And our answer back to that is, well, what system do you want? We can do whatever system you need and whatever payload you need so you can tailor it to your mission. What they're used to is having a defense firm force a particular system on them. We're allowing them to like decide what they need instead of the other way around. So one of the things that we did today that I think is also quite different is that we made sure that different partners could talk to each other. We made connections across partners. So Donald was another startup we met. He's the guy that's doing the blood refrigeration.
Oh yeah, I definitely need to know him.
All right, let's bring you over there and so you can. Donald is a former Army medic, and so he saw this problem firsthand on like delivering organs and blood using a cooler with ice. Seemed stupid to him. So he
would agree.
So cool. Well, I'll let you have at it.
Okay. Justin, thanks.
Steve, it was awesome. We are kind of like a nexus for our partners to talk with each other and realize that there are lots of things that we could do together. So making those connections just doesn't happen over email or Zoom. You have to be in person.
Because I've always asked you payloads. What's the payloads? And now I can see, like, that's pretty awesome. The things that you did, that was pretty awesome.
Their reactions were exactly what we wanted. We wanted people to get really excited about our mission, about our product line, about our ability to bring manufacturing to upstate New York, and innovate in a way that no one else is doing in the drone space.